Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation. My name is Hema Harshita and today I'd like to speak about the topic Nike company versus Adidas company organizational cultures. So to start with the logos. The first slide shows the logos for different companies, which is Nike company and Adidas companies. These are two well-known companies that produce and sells sportswear products worldwide. So this presentation aims to compare the organization cultures of these two companies using relevant pictures collecting from Google search engines. Nike is a multinational company, so founded in the United States in 1964. This company has its headquarters in Oregon. And on the other side, Adidas company is a multinational company founded in 1924 in Germany. So this company has its headquarters in Bavaria. So these two organizations have diverse cultures, which we discuss in this presentation. And coming to the next slide. So, therefore, in analyzing the organizational culture, our group examined whether the two companies' workplaces were formal or informal. So, second, our group gathered enough images of the companies to explain how the staff of the two companies are organized. So, the third part of the comparison between Nike and Adidas companies was to identify the images that showed evidence of status or power differentiations between the staff and the top leadership of both companies. So, also in analyzing the organizational culture, our team identify the values that seem essential to the organization. Finally, this presentation concerns whether the physical environment supports teamwork and collaborations. So, this forms the outline of this presentation. So, therefore, with this introduction, let's go into the discussion. And the next slide. So the work environment at Nike is a blend of business formality with a laid back attitude. A professional dress code and regular working hours are two examples of the most rigid norms and processes in place. So, to keep things professional, all the employees must follow these rules. So, to keep this professional, and these rules are very important to them. Like, conversely, Nike recognized the importance of a relaxed work atmosphere in fostering creativity and new ideas. So, teamwork is valued, and workers are encouraged to contribute ideas and take calculated risks. There may be less stress and more fun as a result. And since Adidas is a multinational company, so employing people from many different backgrounds, and the company's culture is both professional and casual. So the business maintains a relaxed dress policy, so workers feel at ease. So on the other hand, the corporation takes a more formal approach to communication, decision making, and its internal structure. So the company's beliefs and concepts are disseminated to employees via various forms, including formal training, informal gatherings, and company-wide statements. So in addition, the organization features a performance-based culture in which workers are rewarded or penalized according to how they contribute to the company's overall success. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Parneet Kaur and I will be discussing the following slides. That is the organization of the staffs of both companies, for Nike company as well as for Adidas company. So the staff of Nike company is organized into several functional departments that work together to achieve the company's goals. As well as on the other hand, for Adidas company, the staff of Adidas company is organized in the hierarchical structure, and at the top of the hierarchy is the CEO who oversees the overall operations of the company. So let's discuss about Nike company first. The Nike company's employees are divided into departments with distinct but complementary missions. One or more divisions go by marketing, product management, finance, operations, human resources, and sales. Nike's several divisions are responsible for a specific task, but they work together to guarantee that customers are happy with the company's wares. The marketing team conceptualizes and implements promotional initiatives for Nike's goods. The team in charge of generating new items to satisfy customers is called product development. Budgeting, forecasting, and accounting are just a few of the many tasks that fall within the purview of the finance department. Nike's operations division oversees the company's production and distribution processes, and human resources keep tabs on workers and ensure they have everything they need to do their tasks. Finally, Nike's sales team is accountable for increasing interest in the brand's wares. So now we will discuss about Adidas Group, which has a transparent chain of command, and the CEO runs the business and answers to the board of directors. All of the company's finances, operations, and marketing are overseen by the members of the executive committee who report directly to the chief executive officer. So, senior managers handle functions including product development, supply chain management, and sales under the direction of executive board. So these upper level administrators are accountable for carrying out the plans approved by the executive committee and making sure their respective divisions achieve their objectives. Workers in lower level roles may be involved in the product development, service promotion, product sales, or customer service. Employees in this role are responsible for executing regular business operations and ensuring customer satisfaction. Now, let's discuss the next slide, which is evidence of status power differentials of both the companies, Nike as well as Adidas. So, the Nike company, there is an evidence of status or power differentials at Nike company as well as for the Adidas company. As in Adidas, there's a case in most organizations. Adidas, like many other companies, has a hierarchical structure that creates a power dynamic between different levels employees. So let's start with the Nike first. At the Nike company, there is a clear evidence of power and status differences. In 2018, a group of women filed a class action complaint against the company saying they were subjected to sexist bias and hazardous working conditions. In the complaint, many women alleged that company had a culture of discrimination and harassment, as shown by their lower pay, lack of career opportunities, and exposure to derogatory comments and actions from male employees. Moreover, Nike CEO Mark Parker resigned in 2019 after sexual harassment claims. This brought to light that inequality of power inside the organization, where the most senior executives can make decisions that harm the lower level workers. Thank you so much. Next slides will be continued by my group mate. Thank you.
I hope you are doing well. My name is Gopi Krishna Karid. As in most businesses, there is evidence of status power differentials in Adidas company. The corporate structure of Adidas, like that of many others, places employees at different levels in positions of power over another. Lower level employees are more likely to adapt signals from those at the top, who are more likely to make the most challenging choices at a wield the most power. Workers' social status may differ based on job duties, education attainments, years of experience, and overall output. The corporate culture may become more competitive and hierarchical due to these disparities. Going to slide 6, uh, Nike is a Nike is a company that values innovation, sustainability, and diversity. Nike is dedicated to always exploring new ways to improve the performance of its products of athletic sustainable practices are also crucial to Nike, as seen by the company's attempts to reduce the environmental footprint and promote greener business practices across supply chain. Its supply chain. Nike has pledged to reduce the carbon footprint and increase its productivity significantly. In addition, Nike values creating a welcoming workplace where everyone can contribute and feel valued. Nike has also been vocal on social concerns, with ads highlighting difference and as trends, encouraging equality for everyone. The firm is dedicated to upholding the highest standards of ethics and behavior on all dealings with its clients and partners. Regarding values, Adidas seems to emphasize sustainability and social responsibility significantly. Adidas is a legendary sportswear company that has been around for decades. The firm has earned a reputation for producing high quality goods and unique designs. The firm has made a long-term commitment to minimize its diverse effects on the environment and has taken many steps in that direction. Adidas also has taken measures to guarantee a lawful and ethical supply chain. Hu- Rights violation, child labor, forced labor are strictly prohibited under business policy. In addition, Adidas has innovatives to foster more welcoming and diverse work environment for its employees. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tilmiz Rahmani, and in this slide we're gonna discuss about does the physical environment supports teamwork and collaboration. Nike company's office space was built from corporation and collaborations in mind. The corporation is in Beaverton, Oregon headquarters. It's a largest campus with open floor layouts, collaborative workspace, and collaborative areas for employees to work together. Workers may use the campus state of art fitness, faculty jogging tracks, and basketball court during the business hours. These features inspire workers to participate in healthy pursuits and socialize with co-worker. Nike also has a transparent and open culture that encourage teamwork. Employees of all ranks and are encouraged to collaborate to contribute their ideas and work together on corporative initiatives. This method has lead to productive partnership between teamwork and separate but related project leading to novel ideas for product development and advertising strategies. And the next slide, the Adidas Group. In the Adidas Group is well known for the culture and of creative and teamwork. The office layout is set up to encourage worker to work together effectively. Employees are encouraged to collaborate and exchange the ideas of the company. Open office environment, meeting rooms, lawns, and brainstorming space all include the state of the art infrastructure to improve the teamwork and community. Agile is a new way of working at Adidas that prioritize cooperation and collaboration. Teams are pushed to form cross-functional groups with the discussion-making authorities and freedom to own their work. Cooperation is fostered as team members work together as an address of challenging and realizing objectives. A robust social and cultural initiative within the organization facility interacts among the workers in formal settings, sports competition, art exhibits, and cultural celebrations are all example activities that may be used to bring worker close together. And the conclusion, the Nike company and Adidas company both have distinct organization culture. At Nike, the workspace is a mix formality and relaxation, emphasizing them collaborating and creative. This company values innovation, sustainability, and diversity. Adidas has a more formal culture with a transparent change of command and performance based rewards. Adidas also has a solid commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. Both companies have physical environment that supports teamwork and collaboration. This presentation shows Nike and Adidas have different organizational cultural values and working environments. That's it for this presentation, and thank you.